Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. I'm in the studio with a 12 by 12 inch gallery wrap canvas, pre-primed, but I'm going to add a little bit more paint to it just to make everything flow more easily. Fingers crossed. No hairs allowed. I've had one following me all day. I think it's a thing. And I want to get some of my bottles out of the way so I can spin. Almost done. Nice even coat of black. I may even spatula swipe this. I'm still feeling that hair. It's a phantom. I wonder if it'll show up again. So I'm going to do a little puddle of black right there. And grab my Mayan gold. I want some of the interference violet. What's it feel like to want? There we go. I'm going to sneak in a little bit of wintergreen. It's a Prizm pour. There is a 20% off coupon code underneath the video. I'm a Colour Arte affiliate. Okay, more than a little bit of green. Use some of my African violet, one of my favorites I haven't used very much of in a while. And Royal Galaxy, another old favorite, Prizm pour, as was the African violet. That's not coming out very quickly. I might pull that out again in a second. I'm going to use some Cerulean blue. It's my main focus. And unless I change my mind, I'm going to finish up with some of the new frosted sorbet line, Tango Pink. Although I am definitely thinking of going back again right now. Oh, I've got Blue Grotto too. There we go. I'm going to take the top right off this. That was the Royal Galaxy again. Now I'm going to knock off that paint. I see that hair. They're dogging me today. Okay, I am going to grab the Amsterdam Black in Aussie Floetrol. Actually, you know what? I'm going to put that on a paddle. I'm going to put it on the right side of the paddle. And some Amsterdam White. And do I have another color that I want to add? No, I'm all set. I'm not sure I've done this on black canvas before. I'm going to throw that into the bucket after I wipe off that black paint. And the same with that palette knife. I'm thinking about putting some more gold in there right now. I'm still thinking about spinning it out. I'm going to use a little bit of that interference violet right there. These are my little acetate tools. I've got some Pebeo iridescent blue-green, which I think I might like to add a couple drops of. Maybe add some Azuflotrol Amsterdam white combination. And get ready to contemplate spinning. I've got a small palette knife. I'm not sure there's any point in doing this yet. Let's spin first and manipulate after. Let's see if we can get this a little more centered. I want something a little more red in there, and I've got some poinsettia. I'm not sure how I'll feel about it if I add it though. It's got a magenta base, so it might be okay. That's the only way I know how to figure things out, is to try them. Not sure what else I want to do to that. Maybe spin it out again. Both ways. Looks like that red is spreading out quite a bit, from what I can tell. Not sure it's doing me any good though. So I'll just get rid of it. Let's try some orange. I've got some to spare from the last piece. Which reminds me, I have paint left over from my last piece, which might be fun to add. Might be a lot of fun to add. Since I'm looking for something spectacular and I've got something okay. That looks like a bubble, and it was. Something told me I was going to wind up using this paint. For me, it's always good to save a little paint. Kind of want to put some dots on there. I'm wondering if my colors are clean enough for me to do that. I think I can get away with it. I'm thinking I could use some gold too. And I didn't waste my paint. So do I grab the gold? I kind of love how the orange looks in there now. Kind of wondering if I can get even another little scoop. Just not really looking much like it. It's a bit gloppy, but I think it'll work. So that's pretty cool. I think I'm good with that. Let's grab a little more gold. See if I can find a place to sneak in the odd dot. Yep, I like the gold so much I might replace a few things. They are in danger of running together, but I'm willing to take the chance. So I love you guys. I have over 2,700 videos. I'm really happy that I added those extra colors, I have to say. I think they worked out quite nicely in reality. And now I need to stop myself before I go too far. Better if I listen to myself more often, huh? Alright, that's it. Well, maybe that's it. I'd like to imply that this thing that hangs out over the top edge is coming back around. Okay, I love you guys. Take care of each other, take care of yourself. Check my link tree. Hey, one more spin? No, I'm good. I use Galaxy 800 by Golden in all of my mixtures, so that means that I should be lucky. I am going to pierce that bubble though, and I am going to do something with that. Give it some roots maybe. Spiral something out right there. I almost gave it a pear. Never mind. I know. Can't stop myself once I start. I do love having that little bit of red in there. I do like finding those bubbles and popping them too. Okay, so if I said I love you, I meant it. You guys inspire the heck out of me. Thank you so much for the thumbs up and sharing my videos and watching them longer. Those are all helpful things. Your comments keep my morale boosted. Your donations through PayPal help keep me buying art supplies and painting and bringing you new tutorials. I might spin that out. Well, I might spiral it out. Just to change it up a little bit. I would like to shimmer that at you in case I have time. It's really hard to share, and this room is all lit up. So I'll go turn the light out and come back and shimmer it at you right now, if I can. And I think I can, if I pay attention, I won't drop my phone into the artwork either. All right. Woo! Beautiful. Wow. I'm going back around. Someday I will show you guys my studio. All right. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for checking my link tree. My Amazon link has my 2 books on it, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. It's the first and the second 100 videos for YouTube. I think I saw a bubble. Sometimes if my thumbnail is long enough, I'm willing to use it. Oh, I see something that isn't a bubble and needs to come out. Goodbye thing that needs to come out. I don't think I need all the time that I have left, so I'm going to say I love you again. Check my community board for tomorrow's video. Know that I have 2,700 videos, and you can find them by going to playlists, all playlists, created playlists on my YouTube channel, and you'll find them there. That looks like a gap right there. Steal a little paint. We'll probably run a torch through. Yeah, I added another one. I'm cuckoo for actually I'm cuckoo for dots. My paint pouring recipes will be below the video. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. Should you want to reach me in regard to inquiries about a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, or possibly purchasing an artwork, which would really make my day, or my year in this case. What else did I not tell you? I don't know. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, The Gallerist, Society 6 are all on the link tree. If you guys need any help with anything, my playlists are organized by topic and genre and by the 100, and I'm happy to give you a playlist link because they're easy for me. I organized them all already. There we go. I'm all set now. All right, you guys, be good. Bye for now. Priscilla out.